Today is a day to celebrate love. It's also a day which quite a bit of money is being spent, but not everybody can spend all that they want, especially if they're falling behind on bills. Bank of North Dakota's Samantha Yanish has some advice if you find yourself in that situation.
Hi, I'm Samantha Yanish. You may find yourself in an unfortunate situation where you can't pay your bills. Regardless of the reason behind it, you need to do the one thing you don't want to do. Call the people you owe money. Nearly everyone wants to avoid these type of phone calls and hopes they won't continue if you ignore them, but that rarely happens. Call your creditors, the people you owe, right away. They will typically want to work with you because they want to be paid just as much as you want to pay them. There are also resources you may be able to access depending on your situation. If you got too much credit card debt, call the company as quickly as possible and ask if they'll consider lowering your interest rate. Or can they work with you to extend your due date? Most student loan debt doesn't go away. Even if you declare bankruptcy, you still may need to repay it. Call the lender to understand your options if you're having difficulty making payments, whether it be on a student loan, a car loan, or medical bills. If you have difficulty paying your utility bills, some companies help low-income families get discounted phone, heating and cooling, and water services. If you cannot make a house payment or rent, you may be able to access federal government programs that provide financial assistance. Nearly every situation has a resolution, and it starts with a phone call to the person or company you owe money. When you call, be prepared to discuss your financial situation, what steps you're taking to put yourself in a different position, and any other items you're considering to be able to make payments in the future. You should also look at ways to be able to cut non-essential expenses. It may be overwhelming, but you have to take the right steps. I'm Samantha Yanish with Bank of North Dakota.
If you'd like some more finance tips, just check out all of our KX Finance segments on kxnet.com.